So over here, you can see that I have a store right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in my products in the store. So to do that, let me just go ahead and click on Manage Products, and you would see the products right here. So two of them are enabled and one is disabled, as you can see right here. So you can see that these are the products that are already there. But if you want to go ahead and add in more products, you can simply go to the products section right here, and then you can go ahead and click on Add Product. So this can be physical or service, but if you want to add in digital downloads like ebooks, docs, and music, you need to upgrade your account. So let's say this is a service, and I'm going to go around and say video editing class right here, just like this. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add in a description, learn video editing with me right here. For the product image, let's say for example, you can go ahead and choose from the uploaded image that you have from Strikingly library. You can even add in a video right here. But let me just go ahead and browse on my computer and select out this particular image right here. And then it uploads out that particular image right here. So this is actually photo editing. So let me just go ahead and change it out to photo editing right here. So let's just go ahead and change it. And as I do that, you can see that I can choose unlimited stock, or I can have respective stock as I want right here, just like this. You can add in variants and change around other product categories, as you can see right here. But that is something we're going to cover up as we move along in the next videos. So once this is done, you can go ahead and click on Save right here. So it says invalid price. So let's just add in a price right here, just like this. And then go ahead and click on Save right here, and then the product is added in. So now if I were to go around over here, you can see the product right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead and quickly publish it out right here. Publish as a free site right here. Publish anyway, and let me just go ahead and see how that looks now. So you can see the products right here, and then you can see the buy now. You can change around the quantity right here, and right now it's incoming soon, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go ahead and add in products to your store as needed inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe